We finally made it to Thailand, the gateway to Asia. Here, a couple years ago, cannabis, if you got caught with it, you're going to jail for life. Now, seeing legalization, we're going to see gardens, we're going to go to the first 420 event legal in Asia, and we're going to get to see everything from A to Z about cannabis in Thailand. Come join us, it's going to be a hell of a ride. Like North America, Thailand has experienced a tumultuous history with cannabis. Yet, in recent years, the country has taken steps in the right direction. However, there are still some hurdles to overcome. Many voices still oppose its legality, causing tension and debate within the country.
Right now, political situation in the country, there's a lot of backlash. You got a lot of the not-fors right now. This situation is now politicized.
After visiting Thailand's first ever legal 420 event, I decided to check out a university to learn about the educational initiatives aimed at teaching aspiring growers.
We are teaching over 80 students in the university.
Continuing my journey, I met a seasoned grower from British Columbia. He shared his wisdom on the unique challenges of cultivating cannabis in a climate just 15 degrees above the equator. Cannabis is being grown outdoors here on a 12-hour cycle, which means the moment you take your plants outdoors here, they're instantly in flower. Next, I'll take you over to an extraction facility, the first in their field in Thailand.
We are the first one to get the Thai industrial standard, which is the highest one in Thailand.
Ending with a crew at an outdoor hoop house, where amidst their labor, they enjoy cannabis. Well, he finished the bowl, and he's not letting it out.
Good shit.
Embracing a culture that intertwines work and relaxation. Boom.